This is new innovation 3D printing models. Any model, any designing can make by 3D printing. You can see the samples. Many designing. Anything can make by 3D printing. And you see how many color, how many designing, how many item. It's all made by 3D printing. You can see so many models, anything, new innovation, 3D printing. And now you can see the machine, 3D printing machine, 3D printer. You can take a look. This is 3D printing. All made in Taiwan. Please contact us for 3D printing. Largely available in Taiwan. All made in Taiwan with guarantee. Good quality. Sales after service. You can take a look. Wait for more videos, more items. See how it's printing. Thank you for watching for these videos.